Hey everyone, welcome back to the Crypto ZX channel. As you guys know, this right here is a broader market update. Let's take a look at what's happening with the overall market right now, and of course what we could be expecting going further into the month of August. As you guys know, the month of August just started, and we're seeing quite a bit of bloodbath across the board. And again, I know this could shake out a lot of weak hands and could be a panic time because you want to see those continuous green days that you did see over the past 2 to 3 days. But anyhow, let's take a little bit of a closer look and see what is happening, because pretty much across the market right now, a lot of coins are down about 10 to even 15%. So what is causing this? Whether you're holding Solana right now, whether you're holding Jupiter, Fetch, Bonk, whatever the case may be, internet, computer, everything I'm about to say will apply to you, because at the end of the day, cryptocurrency is correlated with the price of Bitcoin, and this is why we focus on the price of Bitcoin on a day-to-day basis. So pretty much a lot of altcoins right now down double digits compared to Bitcoin. So pretty much look at it, Bitcoin is down about 5.2%, but if you're looking at a lot of these coins, these coins are actually down double compared to Bitcoin. And why is that the case? I'll explain that. But before I get into that, guys, as always, just a quick disclaimer: anything on this channel is not financial advice. Always do your own due diligence and research when you are investing in crypto. So you're seeing, a massive red day. You're starting to see Tether going back up in the green, because money is flowing back into USD stables, considering there's a lot of fear across the board right now that potentially we could retest $60,000 once again. But if you've been paying attention to my most recent updates, I did mention to you guys that if we lose certain support levels, we could see more downside for Bitcoin. And I continuously remind each and every one of you guys that you never are too late to lock in profits. Lock those profits in when you see them. Have stop losses in place. It's very important, because this market, even in a bull market, can see these shakeouts. You're looking across the board right now, pretty much everything down. So it can kind of give us a confirmation that everything seems to be down right now. But looking at liquidation, just in $312 million, guys, has been liquidated from the crypto market in the past 24 hours. And again, this is the main reason why whales even exist. As you can see, whales love doing this. They love manipulating the markets. And we did start off a brand new month of, usually those are very important times, but we're starting on a negative note, still above $63,000. We'll definitely take that. But there is a massive bloodbath. So this could be considered a massive sale at one, for some people, of course, the people that do diligence, do their research, and want to dollar cost average in during the uncertainty times. I'm sure you guys have seen this by now. People that do pick up the bloodbath do tend to do good when the markets tend to move towards the upside. But anyhow, let's take a look at what's happening. I did do a poll about 12 hours ago on the channel asking you guys which coin are most of you excited for in the month of August. And you can see right now 1,200 votes have come in the last 12 hours. Caspa is winning right now, and Solana is behind that. And obviously Caspa has been absolutely killing it. Do let me know in the comments down below which project you think is going to go up. But we're starting off on a little negative note, which probably has a lot of people kind of ticked off, because let's face it, the last 2.5 months have been on the downwards trajectory rather than towards the upside. But so far, in the grand scheme of things, in terms of development, in terms of things happening for the crypto space, it's looking really bullish. But currently you're seeing a little bit of a shakeout. So what exactly is going on? There's one specific reason why you're seeing altcoins actually being impacted quite heavily right now. Look at it. Everything seems to be down about 10% right now, or even more. And there's one thing that not a lot of people are paying attention to, which is Bitcoin Dominance Index. You could see this for yourself. Bitcoin Dominance Index went from 55.9% all the way up to 56.3% right now, and it's climbing as we speak. You can see this live. Literally, we're looking at this live. Bitcoin dominance index is picking up. When you see Bitcoin see a drop and dominance on the other hand pick up quite heavily in this case, guess what's going to happen to the altcoins? Altcoins will go down way harder compared to Bitcoin, and that's exactly what you're looking at right now. And it's not just some people are going to come out and say, oh, some of the coins are down. No, majority of the coins are down double compared to Bitcoin. And this is why it's so important to understand how these tools work. Some people don't like even talking about me talking about Bitcoin, but this is why. These are the reasons why I tell you guys, Bitcoin is something you want to be paying very close attention to. But anyhow, let's kind of take a look at what we're looking at in terms of Bitcoin's price and what we could be expecting. So pay very close attention to dominance. Of course, I think if Bitcoin continues to fall, dominance could go even higher. And if dominance starts approaching yearly highs, I expect altcoins will go down a little bit more compared to where we are right now. So if you're looking at BTC right now, Bitcoin actually went down to $62,200 price point. We do have some support around that range that kind of dates back to the previous cycle as well. So you are seeing, Bitcoin obviously rebounding back above $63,000, 63,200 to be specific, as it's trying to break out. Obviously, some resistance coming in its way, as you can see. And now, if this resistance obviously is able to clear up, I do believe that we could reclaim back above $64,000 really quickly. And honestly, would you, as a Bitcoin holder or a crypto holder, you want to see Bitcoin sitting above $64,000? And you guys know how important that level is. I've been talking about this for quite some time, and that's where I remain mega bullish in terms of the price of Bitcoin. Still, we're in a bull market, no doubts about that, but this gives me that confirmation that the price of Bitcoin is quote unquote in the safer end. But we're obviously below that right now. We still have a lot of time to go until we see the daily candle close for the month of August 1st. So we're going to be taking a look at it very carefully. But with that said, if this support where it's currently sitting at, which of course right now is holding, but if this support is not able to hold, potentially could start heading back down once again, and potentially even retest a $60,000 price, which again shouldn't really be a surprise to me, because that would be a 5% drop, would shake out more of the weak hands before making its way back towards the upside. It's a new month, usually this does tend to happen, but let me know down below what you guys personally think. The Feds did announce that they don't expect to change the interest rates, so for riskier assets, it depends. Financial markets, I don't think it's a bad thing, but let's see what happens. Let me know in the comments down below what you guys think right now. Altcoins, if you were on the sidelines of the past few days kicking yourself, well, you're getting the opportunity once again for a lot of alts right now. So once again, Solana specifically, if you want to look at it, it's back down to, I believe, $161.59. So we can clearly see Solana is below its major support, which we spoke about yesterday, down 10.5%, but pretty much everything seems to be down right now over the past 24 hours. So let me know what you guys are doing right now. If you guys are accumulating, let me know in the comments down below, and what are your personal projections regarding a Bitcoin itself. Love you all. See you tomorrow in Crypto ZX, and peace out.